Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Big Things Kitchen, and in today's video we'll be doing a breakfast video, and it's fried dumpling, how to make the perfect fried dumpling. And I've added all the ingredients that we need. I've added some all-purpose flour, a little bit of salt, a little bit of baking powder, and just a small amount of butter. That will make your fried dumpling fluffy. So today I'll be teaching you how to make the perfect fried dumpling. And over here we have ice cold water. You want to make your dough a little bit soft, and that you will leave to set for about an hour. So stay with me as we make the perfect fried dumpling. See you in a minute. Okay, so I went ahead and I prepared the dough, and this is the texture that you want your dough to be in. It's not too soft, but that's the texture that you want your dough to be in. So this you're gonna cover with a damp cloth or paper. I'm using paper, and I'm gonna cover it to keep it moist. I'm gonna cover it and leave it for an hour, after which we'll be back to see how to make the perfect fried dumpling. Do remember to subscribe, press the like button, leave a comment, and share with others. See you in an hour.
Hello everybody, Big Things Kitchen. We back at it again. When cooking fried dumpling, you want to keep the oil heated on a lower setting, and you have to slow cook the dumpling so it can soak in.
Yes, when it's on a lower setting, the dumpling cook inside out. You don't want your dumpling to cook outside in. In that case, the dumpling will be raw. So you have to put the oil on low so it cook inside out.
Also, you got to keep the flour on your board so you can, roll your dumpling. Lots of little signature things to making great dumplings.
So you can see that the dough is the texture that we want it. This is the texture that we're looking for. Don't worry, it's not soft. It's been there setting for an hour now, and that's the texture we're looking for.
That's fantastic.
We'll be preparing it with some kale, and this is a breakfast dish. How to make the perfect fried dumpling.
Fantastic. Big Things Kitchen. Do remember, if you like this video, to press the subscribe button. Also share with your friends and family members, and keep watching because lots of big things coming in the future with just a bill. My name is Ryan Lang MVP. Do remember to check out my channel as well. Also subscribe to my wife channel that we're working on together. This is a family thing, but self-promotion is everything because you have to promote yourself. Nobody's gonna speak for you more than you. But right now, I don't know, nothing's nice like dumplings. So when you have a wife who can cook like my wife, look at that. Oh, I can't get skinny, I can't starve.
Okay.
Although she's angry at me, I still get dinner. See, that's love. I bet I have some people laughing right now.
Yeah.
Look at that.
So we want to roll our dumpling into a perfect ball. And what you do, this is a trick. After you roll your dumpling, make sure it's in a perfect ball. You're gonna squeeze in on the dumpling. Just a little squeeze. A little squeezing on the dumpling. That will make it fluffy. Just pop it in the oil and leave it there. After this is finished, we'll get back to you to show you how to make the perfect fried dumpling.
Big Things Kitchen. Do remember to check us out, and it's spelled BIGTING S, Big Things Kitchen. Give us some support. Keep watching. This is so wonderful. You know the best part about all this food is I get to share it with my family. The dumplings are perfectly in sync. We also have some kale here and some ginger tea. You know when you have a balanced diet with some orange, blueberry, and apples, I don't know. I'm gonna have to convince my wife to feed me this.
No.
You're not gonna feed me? Okay, we'll feed the baby then.
So this is fried dumplings. Jamaican Fry Dumplings. Do remember to press the subscribe button,
Press the
Like.
bell icon.
like, share, and you'll be notified for future videos.
Big things are going. Thanks for watching.